Good morning, everybody. My name is Dr. Syed Muzammil. I am clinical cardiologist and physician at Udayomni Hospital, Nampalli, Hyderabad. On this World Heart Day, the purpose of our talk is to understand what is heart attack, what are reasons behind heart attack, and what we can do to prevent this development of heart attack. Nowadays in India, we are seeing more and more cases of heart attack coming to the hospital. These heart attack patients are not only elderly, but yet many young patients are coming with heart attack. Many patients are losing their lives. So let's try to understand what is heart attack and what we can do to prevent heart attack. Heart is a central organ in human body. Its function is to pump blood so that whole body gets nourishment through oxygenated blood. Heart receives its blood supply with the help of coronary arteries. Coronary arteries are the blood vessels which supply blood to the heart so that heart functions properly. Any block happening in the blood supply in the coronary blood vessel will lead to damage to the heart muscle, which is called as heart attack. Why there is blockage developing in the heart blood vessel, that is coronary blood vessel? This happens due to deposition of cholesterol. There are very few reasons which cause deposition of cholesterol. We can call it as most common reasons responsible for deposition of cholesterol. These are uncontrolled hypertension, uncontrolled diabetes, high cholesterol levels which are undetected for long durations, bad habits like sedentary lifestyle, and bad habits like heavy alcohol drinking, heavy smoking. These can lead to development of deposition of cholesterol in the heart blood vessels. What are symptoms of heart attack? Symptoms of heart attack are many patients will get retrosternal chest pain, left-sided chest pain radiating to the left arm or right arm, associated with sweating, which is cold. These are typical symptoms of heart attack. But few unfortunate patients, they don't get these typical symptoms. They will have atypical symptoms like uneasiness, shortness of breath, upper abdominal pain. They feel like they are having acidity. Unfortunately, the symptoms of heart attack as well as symptoms of acidity overlap in many patients. So many patients neglect the symptoms of heart attack thinking that this is an acidity, and they end up in developing heart failure due to damaged heart, or they end up losing their lives. So if you get such symptoms, immediately you reach to nearby hospital and get yourself checked with an ECG and your ER physician, or if a cardiologist is available, you should get yourself checked with a cardiologist to find out if you are actually having a heart attack. What we can do to avoid this development of deposition of cholesterol? We should follow a healthy diet. We should follow a healthy lifestyle. A healthy diet contains the diet which is rich in fruit and vegetables, which have more fiber in their content, and they are healthy for heart. We should avoid the diet which contains saturated fats like fatty meat, dairy products, cheese, ghee, maska. These should be avoided. Healthy food habits like cheese, burgers, pizzas, and carbonated drinks. These should be avoided in one's diet. You should follow a healthy diet, like you should avoid salt in your diet. As if you are a hypertensive, or even if you are not a hypertensive, if you decrease your salt intake to less than 2.3 gram per day, then your blood pressure levels come down, which eventually leads to low blood pressure throughout the day, and which decreases the stiffness of your heart blood vessels. If you are hypertensive and if you decrease your salt intake to less than 1.5 gram per day, then your requirement of blood pressure medicines comes down, and eventually your risk of development of heart attack comes down. So simple things are that you should follow a healthy diet, a healthy lifestyle which contains like aerobic exercises like swimming, walking, jogging, or cycling. This decrease the bad cholesterol in your body, that is LDL cholesterol, while increase the good cholesterol, that is HDL. Decreasing the stress level is also important. At least in a week, you should have one stress-free day where you should relax yourself, get adequate sleep, so that the stress hormones that are created in your body, they come under control, and the risk of deposition of cholesterol in your body comes under control. So if you follow these simple steps, definitely you will follow a good life, and you will prevent the future development of heart attack. My message in this World Heart Day is to follow a healthy diet, healthy lifestyle to avoid heart attacks. Thanks a lot.